Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you a common problem. Sometimes your horn will not work, okay? You're going to try to use the horn and it will not be working, like this one on a Volkswagen Beetle. As you can see, we press it, nothing happens. In 99% of the cases, it's just a fuse. And you need to check your manual, or most of the times when you open the fuse lid right there on the inside, you usually have the diagram. So right here, okay, ours is, as you can see, number 40. That's the hole right there. And in our case, 40 is this one right here. And they actually didn't put this one. Somebody stole it for something else, maybe a turn signal or something went out, the fuse, and they replaced it with a new fuse that they put out of the horn. Okay, we replaced it, and now, as you can see, okay, it's working perfectly fine. If that's not fixing it, sometimes they tend to burn or get too much rust on the horn wires, and most of the times they're right here in the corner of every vehicle, in the corner of the bumper. Sometimes they have even two, one in each corner, and this is it. They're easy to replace, usually one nut or bolt holds them, but again, remember, check the fuse first. That's the most common thing, 99% of the times. I hope the video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching us, and please don't forget to give us a like and hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.